Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the battery and cover on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This task requires minimal tools, but if you find yourself lacking the necessary equipment, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. First, gather the tools you will need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. The first step is ensuring your vacuum is turned off and disconnected from the charging dock. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will need to remove the screws securing the battery cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. If you encounter any resistance, a flathead screwdriver can help gently pry the cover open. Once the cover is removed, take a moment to clean the internal area with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting performance. Cleaning this area is crucial and will help maintain the vacuum's efficiency, ensuring it operates optimally. Now, let's focus on the battery replacement. Disconnect the old battery by gently pulling it away from the connectors. Before you insert the new battery, ensure you check the orientation to avoid any installation errors. If you need assistance, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure you have the correct replacement parts. Insert the new battery into the compartment, making sure it clicks into place securely. After that, take the battery cover you removed earlier and place it back onto the vacuum. Line up the holes and carefully screw it back into place using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure all screws are tight but don't over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. If you're unsure about any step in this process, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can always reach out to us for support. It's important to ensure that everything is assembled correctly before proceeding. Once the cover is securely in place, give your vacuum one last cleaning. Check for any remaining dust or debris. This will not only keep your vacuum looking good, but it also enhances its performance. Finally, reconnect your Dyson SV12 to its charging dock and allow it to charge fully before your next use. Regular maintenance like this will extend the life of your vacuum and keep it running efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery and cover on your Dyson SV12. If you need any further assistance, remember, we offer no calls, no travel, ensuring you get the service you need right from your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.